Hello? Everybody can still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. The meeting stopped suddenly. Yeah. So, what was I saying? Yeah. So the density of the medium that I was telling you was is different from the mass density. Okay. It's called the optical density. Okay. Don't confuse between both of these. Understood? Okay. So now the refractive index, we were talking about refractive index. So if we have like two refractive index, N1 and N2, refractive index of medium 1 and N2, let's say refractive index of medium 2. Okay. Now let's say if a ray of light is going from N1 to N2, N1 to N2, like this. Okay. So we draw the normal here. So we know that let's say N2 is greater than N1. Okay. So in this case, the light will bend towards the normal or away from the normal. Can anybody tell me?
Away from the normal.
Hmm, are you sure? It will bend towards the normal, like this. Okay. This will be R. Okay. Understood? Now, let's say in the case when it reaches here and then it will bend again, right? So in this case, let's say this is your normal. It is going from N2 to back to N1. In this case, what will happen? Will it bend towards the normal or away from the normal? Can anybody tell me? When N2 is greater than N1, the light will bend towards the normal. Okay. But if if it is like the other case, if N2 is less than N1, then light will bend away from normal. Okay. So now in this case, N2 and N1, N2 is when N1 is when it was going from N1 to N2, it bent towards the normal because N2 is greater than N1. Now since it is going from N2 to N1, it will bend away from the normal. Everybody understood this? So if it is going into a medium whose refractive index is lesser, then it will bend away from normal. If it is going into a medium whose refractive index is higher, then it will bend towards the normal. Understood, everyone? Hello? Hello? Can everybody hear me? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now let's say how do you calculate the refractive index? Okay, I have a question for you. Okay. Mm, light enters from air to glass having a refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? Can anybody solve this? Not anybody. Everybody has to solve this. Okay? I'm giving you guys 2 minutes to solve this and then we'll discuss the answer. Done? Everyone got the answer?
No, sir, just a minute.
Done. Anybody got the answer?
No, sir.
No one? Okay, let me discuss this one then. These two are going to be your homework, okay? Homework and homework. Let's quickly discuss the first question, right? So what is it written? Light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? So we are given the refractive index of glass is 1.5, right? We just now we discussed the formula for finding out the refractive index of any medium is this one, right? N equals C by V. So N glass is equal to C by V glass. V glass means velocity inside glass, velocity of light inside glass. We know the value of N, we know the value of C. Can we calculate the value of V? Yes or no? Yes or no? Mhm. How much is C? Can anybody tell me what is the value of C?
3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
Yes, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And what is N glass? How much is the value?
1.5.
1.5. So this will be 2. That will be V glass will be 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is your answer. Velocity of light inside glass 2 into 10 to the power 8. Everybody understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try these two as your homework, okay? We will discuss this in the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Have a good night. Bye bye, everyone.